Hi guys, this is Mike from TechMobile, and today I'm going to show you how to change the default apps on your Xiaomi device. Let's say that you don't want to use a standard MIUI browser and want to use Google Chrome as default browser instead. So let's get started to find out how. Okay, first swipe down and open the settings menu and find the apps tab. Click on the apps tab and then on manage apps, the three dots, and here you can find default apps. Okay, here you can see all the default apps that you can change, like a launcher, dial pad, if you have other ones that you want to use, or the browser. Now it's the Mi browser, but if I want to use Chrome as a default browser, I can select the Chrome one. And you can do this for every item that you want. You can always go back and change the default browser as many times as you want. Or you can reset it to defaults. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you. If so, please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel for all the latest tips. Bye!